Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing what you actually need, not theory. Install Node, JS and NPM, then scaffold a simple web project with index. HTML and main, JS. Pick a web view host right away, Capacitor or Cordova if you want cross-platform builds, or the native web view component for a single platform. Once your files run in a desktop browser, wire them into the host project. Make sure paths and relative assets work, because the web view will load the bundle exactly as referenced. Next, embed your bundle into the mobile project and connect JavaScript to native features. Place index, HTML in the platform assets or copy it at build time. Reference main, JS with a relative path. Use the Bridge plugin system to expose native APIs securely or call Evaluate JavaScript to run code in the web view. Once done, enable remote debugging, Chrome DevTools for Android, Safari Web Inspector for iOS, so you can inspect console logs, network requests. Finish by building and deploying the app to a device, then verify behavior under real conditions. Use platform build tools to create a signed release or a debug APK/IPA and run it on a device or emulator. If something breaks, inspect runtime logs via a dblogcat or Xcode and use the web inspector to trace errors. Make sure to check cores and file, // path handling, and confirm plugins initialize before your scripts run. Fixing those 3 issues solves most runtime failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.